Welcome everyone, how is it going? Today we are going to learn a very important part in the JavaScript. If you remember, when we learned algebra, we used to create an identifier to store value. For example, x equal to 3 and x plus 5 equal to 8. So, what does that mean? We understand from here x has a value 3 and 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Well, to store values, JavaScript has something called variable. What is variable? Variable is a temporary placeholder to store values in transition from one representation to another. In JS, we write variable with the word var. Let's say var and a semicolon. So var is short form of variable, x is the placeholder and it has a value 3, and every statement in JavaScript takes a semicolon at the end. Let's write another variable var y equal to 4. Let's go ahead and print this. Document dot write x plus y. Let's save this and run this. 7. How cool is this? Computers help us store values instead of writing stuffs again and again. Variable can store values in JavaScript for further use. So, variable can be any data type. It can be numbers, as you can see here 3, 4, 5, 7, and variable can be string. Did you see that? Or do you remember? Text inside a single quote or double quote is a string. So variable can be string, variable can be numbers, and variable can be boolean, true or false. There are a couple of rules in writing variables. Variables can start with a letter. Let's say my name, Noor. So the variable name can be started with a letter. It is fine. Variable can't start with a number like 9, my name. We also can use underscore or dollar sign in front of the variable name. But whatever you name the variable, it should be meaningful so others can understand when your code will be reviewed by someone else. Let's write two variables. First underscore name. If you notice here, my variable name is first name and I added here an underscore between the first and name. So my variable name looks pretty good. My first name is Noor and last name Siddiq. Let's go ahead and run this. Oops, there should be first name and it should be last name. Run this again. Noor Siddiq, and the two words become a single word. Let's add here a single space. Noor Siddiq. Let's write another variable, the same variable, first name equal to hello. So if you notice, my two variables are same, first name and first name. Let's go ahead and run this. Hello Siddiq, did you see that the variable has changed? When we used here the variable first name with a value hello, it took hello instead of Noor. Let's change the value again. First name, hi. Let's go ahead and run this. Hi Siddiq. So we can change variable. The first name with hello, then it took hello. Again the first name hi, it took hi. So whenever you assign a new value within the similar variable, it will take the latest value. What is the latest value? Hi. And we can see here it took the latest value hi. So, and the concatenation occurred first name hi and last name Siddiq. Hi Siddiq. In this way, variable can be changed. There is something called ES6, ECMAScript 6. ES6 has introduced two keywords, let and constant, const, short form of constant, to use variable instead of var. So you might be surprised, okay, if we do not use var, when we should use let and when we should use constant. So in general, we use constant if the value saved to a variable does not change in your program. Let's say constant first name equal to Noor, and here we tried to change the value, right? Let's go ahead and run this program. It doesn't print anything, right? So we have to use constant when our variable won't changed, and when we can use let allow us to change our variable. Let's go ahead and run this. Did you see that? Let allow us change its variable. My first variable with let first name, and there are other two variables by the same name first name. So the let changed the variable and took the latest value. Here my latest value is hi. So again I got hi Siddiq. So when we use constant, we have to remember that constant won't allow me to change my variable in my program. Let's go ahead and print the first name, Noor. So in the recent days, we won't use var. Instead, we will use constant and variable. constant and let. How awesome is variable in JavaScript, isn't it? Practice a little bit and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.